Hola, buenos dias. Good morning, YouTube, lady, boy, girl, and baby. Um, Today, nothing special. For the reason we do in rotor resurface, because when you braking so hard, when somebody was in an accident in the front and you don't see it, and you brake so hard, and that when you squeeze your brake so tight, and causing the rotor war, okay, or when you travel up in the foothill that you braking so much and you don't do your low gear, and you just forcing your brake all the time, so causing the rotor uh, overheated, which is, you know daytime you may not see it, but nighttime you can see that your rotor is turning like a burning hot iron red. So that's why causing the rotor warp, and you have to do your rotor resurface, because when you're braking, you can feel that the brake is vibrate so much. And for some of you that who does not know car a lot, and some other mechanic will braking you to changing your suspension, change your tire, change this and that, because they want money from you. They want service. So sometimes little thing but costing a lot of money just because we don't know. Like you go to a doctor and doctor just recommend a here and there, because the time you walk out from the office, your bill is like tons of dollars. Same thing's car. When you go to a car doctor, they will recommend here and there, and the time you realize you spend so much money. Got a 2015 Ford Focus SE model. Not the high-end one. Going to do rotor. So very simple. You can do it at home. You can do anywhere, even on the side of the road. You can do it. Um, when you don't have a lathe machine to do your resurface, you can buy a brand new one. It's not that expensive. Or you can take to your auto machine shop. They can do it for like $30 for both sides, $15 each. So let's fix this problem. Show you how to do it. Okay, you can use one of this piston compress. You don't have to go buy. Just go to auto part, any auto part probably they have to rent, but you return, you get your money back, and they are free actually. Okay, but you don't actually need it. This is what you need. Okay, first take this out first. Okay, after that pry the clapper to open it and to close all the way, because when you don't do all the way, then when you put your new brake pad on it, it won't fit. Okay, pop this little plastic cap out, and one on the bottom here too, and using one of this let's say it's 7, but not exactly sure, and stick inside here. If you don't have this one, you can using the L wrench, which is the same. Pop this open. Same thing down here. Pop this open. To do it faster, I'm using my drill. Okay. So hang this. If you don't have this kind of hanger, you can use any rope you tie, zip tie, rope, anything, or you can use a clothes hanger. Okay. Now on the back here, all right, side socket 18. So take the caliper holder out. Now in case the rotor doesn't come out, use your feet to kick it, or you can use a plastic hammer to hit it out, and they should come out. So now you can take this rotor to your local machine shop, then they can resurface, and after that just put it back in. Okay, as now I got the rotor back here. So you either clean right here real good, or just leave it, because you know it's metal against metal, it's going to be rust anyway. So for me, lazy guy, just leave it like that, that's fine. And put the brake caliper holder back in here. Okay, and then that one. Okay, that's pretty tight. Now for when you do the caliper, make sure you take out this pin here and re-grease it, because I just did my brake pad not a couple weeks ago only, so I don't have to re-grease it because I already did that. So every time you do your rotor, you have to get a new brake pad, because you can see that the worn is not even already. Okay, the worn is not even because the rotor been not even. So you have to get a new pad, and here is my new pad. So I'm going to put my new pads on, and on this side too, brand new. Okay, and slide this in. The bottom one as well. Don't have to be so tight. You will strip that. Not too loose either, because too loose, you're going to have problem with the brake. Okay, done. And then from this side, just remember to put the pin back on. This spring load. Okay, push that, and then that's it. Okay, now it's complete. Okay. Thank you for watching. So subscribe please. Bye bye now.